If you don't have time to do it right, when are you going to have time to do it over? That's a question I heard a homeowner ask a contractor on a job site recently. They were standing there and looking at some part of the project that had obviously been rushed. And you could tell that the homeowner, she wasn't real happy about it. I thought it was funny at first, but the more I thought about that line, the more I realized it doesn't just apply to construction. Honestly, I think that we all do this in life occasionally, and I know I'm guilty of it. We ignore a small repair on the house, and then it turns into a big one. Or we ignore our money problems, and that debt piles right up. We ignore our health, and eventually the doctor has bad news. Sometimes we rush things, or we just slap a band-aid on a problem, telling ourselves, I'll deal with it later. But later always shows up, and it usually has company. Honestly, it would have taken less time to just slow down, square up to the problem, and do it right the first time. Life has a way of collecting interest on the things that we ignore. That's just something to think about while you forge your life.